Yes, so people, I greet all of you now. Not too much studio boy MC Shakagbo. Yeah, Workshop Entertainment. But like this, I'm not going for adverts for today. I can't address some kind of things when they happen for the entertainment. That's why we call this program Workshop Entertainment. What did they happen for the entertainment? You understand? What did they happen these days? I know they like them. If I'm not talking about her, it'd be like say I joined the bad people. Nobody went good, nobody went bad, you understand? They get some partner for bad, they get some partner for good. But I will make sure say, out of 100%, let my good be 90 and my bad be 10. Again, what did happened for the industry side, especially Europe. Now Europe I want to talk about. We entertainer, why would they have each other? Why would they have ourselves? You go see your fellow guy, you won't be artist too, now I want to talk about. You won't be artist now because you be music artist. You see your fellow guy, your friend, na comedian. Because he will be comedian now, they collect money for show, pass you and be music artist. Then you go change, you go cross carpet from your music, come comedy. You will come comedy newly. Now you see they tell people say your friend won't be MC for long, won't be comedian for long, they heavy you. Bros, maybe not the fake life. If you say you they live fake life, other people know they live fake life. This thing got to stop. Because what you do for fellow man today, my brother, tomorrow your turn will come. You understand? Okay, the person go tell you, say, bro, I beg, I won't book your friend for show. Because say you go fit do that thing. Because you go fit do one. You tell them, say, no worry, just give me what you do on hand. I'll come down for you. That one life. For how long you go continue to be doing? If person do that kind of thing to you, how you go feel? I drink my drink. How you go feel? But we'll stop this rubbish. Okay, your fellow man go do music, go studio, go produce music, spend time, produce and finish, do a poster put, then poster for Facebook. You not go share, you not go like. Now you go they use math, they tell people say they agree the music, down on music, or you made they sing, then you won't go sing. Bros, for how long you will continue this thing? You don't go share, they're not they see you for sharing, they're not they see you for comment, they're not see you for like. Now you go they talk people, they go say you're not good. Then when the person they with you, you go tell them say, oh God, that is something a bad one, a big one, a nice one. But as they come out, you go they tell them shaky. Bros, for how long you go continue? Okay, you go tell a fellow artist say, no worry, you get one studio when I want to go, that studio they bad your way. And for that place, studio section of €20, you go tell us €50, you go collect money for your hand, see they do your own. Bros, for how long you go continue on? Okay, your fellow artist will come to you say, bros, I want to do this music, how you see him? You tell us say, bros, it don't make sense, no bam, no good. Levi, no good, no good, that no song, we'll do another one. As that one they come out, you go compose the music, then you go do one for back. Bros, for how long you go continue to do one? May we stop all these things. May we stop the fake people inside that they talk to us so. May we stop this thing. Okay, now more go decide now. Then because you see say your fellow guy, it is said, this life everybody get time. Because say your guy time don't reach now, when God say, my son, it is time for you to excel. People don't they call out for inside 1 month, more say 30 days, for inside 1 month, inside month to inside 30 days, it goes show for 25 days. Then you can tell people say what he sings down music, you can hear what he do. He's down my brother, you support people, celebrate with people. If you never reach your turn, pray, tap from that grace. Tap from the grace. Now they use money to destroy people home. I just ashamed for all these EU artists. Can you imagine artists within Nigeria, within Africa, they get corporation pass from now within Europe. Now they form EU. More than stop this thing. Okay. Some people could just wake up in the morning. And also some artists, they sing for women to love them, and some comedians, they say they MC this and that. When you call them for show, to use show tire people to sleep for show. You call yourself entertainer. Waiting not be your calling because you see your mates, they do them. Maybe this person name the rain now. People here they park before long, then you go see form swag. Who is got white, paint your face, who can they dread? They call the form, this thing come put you for here. Call the form artist, my brother, worker. If you expect to play, not go play because not be your calling. Not be your calling. I told my brother, you just for slice yourself. More could I know the first one I said do what I not do. That's why some they go for road, according to my brother Katika. You see some they just rain small, they'll go down. You know why? Not be their dream, not be their calling. You know what they call legend? Legend, you know what I mean? Legend na person will be say, you dey inside, you dey hot. Another region come, you see the hot. Another region come, you see the hot. Region, you see dey inside. Not be said you just come out for the first region. And second one come, you go down. My brother, we let go. Then for these people, when they say, when I do the rain, God, everybody yell for now, I let the rain. I let the rain. You don't hear for the fuck up. Because you do the rain now, your fellow artists go on book you for show, you will tell us say make a reason to manager. Who your manager help? Your fellow artists go one reason with you, say okay, you want to show. Your fellow artists too. You go tell them make a reason with your manager. My brother. Why would they act like this? Your own fellow artists. But again on that day, I don't mention them. But if you don't know verse, now because I never hear, I wish I don't hear. If I don't hear, I know the fair face, I didn't mention him. I need to hear. Okay. I listened with one of my friends that day. Bro, Safa. Even this person, before people begin the year phone, I mean even they do comedy skits. They use the music, they let people know say, this guy now God butter a bread. I tell us I want to show you, see make a reason with manager. I block her instantly. If na outsiders call you or message you, if you tell them say reason with my manager. But when it comes to your fellow artist, my brother, lawyer, 50 euro show, if he give you 1,000 euro show. Okay, because a person now call you say, bros, I beg, I get 200 euro. Come support me, tell them say no, you know they go show 200 euro. Bros, now most of this thing. What you want form for the Europe side? I see the talker, nobody be big man, big woman. And nobody be landlord and landlady for Europe. Germany. Now school, all of us there for this Europe school. Now Africa, now we want for no yoga. Most of this thing. Then for the show promoters, and they come for now. Now I told this one before them. Artists, they go carry it for show. You see the show, the concert of the show say it don't go well. The person lose. At least pity him. If na 1,000 euro na bagay before, but anything we bring come manage am. Because you see say the show don't go well. Okay, person do show, he book you 1,000 euro. Then when you come to the show now, only 5 people did the show. Even that 5 people tickets sef never reach the whole money. My brother, manage anything we give you, pity him. Don't be say you go to fight. Can you imagine artists go to fight for show? Say they're not giving, they're not paying money complete. But if the show full, every year is suburban, you see them. If you fight, that one is your right. If you collect your money. But maybe when people not come, you come see the, why not pay me? For what see? No, bros. Out of that 5 people when come now, one person feel like you for inside. If you give a show of 2,000 euro, you know. Maybe we know you small thing, spoil big thing. Okay, then for the show promoters, fine, if your show not go well, there's the same manner of approach. Meet your artist, even if it's short for you, bros, leave them, then you write today, but beg them. Not be your artist, they parole, you can't say parole with them. Hey, you don't see people not come, what do you say? My brother, that thing not the help. No. The person carry confess you, want shout for and say, guy, move ahead, you fish to me, who you be? My brother, I go kill you, throw. Beg them. Even if they shout, see they beg them, call people, they will beg them. You understand? That one and one. Then 2, not be when your show full. You call the tenant say, bro, say, I beg, forget say the show full. People here that are free. You know, I borrow money to do some, borrow money to do some money. My brother, if I'm here, I'll blow your eye. Most of that rubbish. You understand? And artists, welcome your show, package them. Even if you don't get money for hotel, package them. Keep on for your house, treat them well. Not be all the show promoters, the release artists, the trek for streets. Wait. More they respect each other. For person to leave in bed, come your house. Sorry, come over your house, leave in bed, come your show overnight. My brother, respect her. And you go see some artists, you know you like for your show, but you just come show love. You know they regard them. Now that one you come for film media, which you regard. No, now bros. Who will stop all these things? Who will stop them? That's why me. I dey get mad to go some kind of shows when they don't invite me to go show love. But if I can't reason the kind of the person, I would say, I don't go. Because I can't look at like for the hand. After all, I know invite time. If you like if you like come out and no, bros. We respect each other. You understand? So please, my people, now what I can tell you now be this. If you drop your comments, talk, more gist, live, more yarn. Drop your comments and I'll reply you. More they share should have post. If you get anything with the bother you for mind, talk and come out. If you be music artist, bros, focus on your music career. If you be comedian, focus on your comedy career. If you be MC, focus on your MC matter. And may I let you know this thing. MC different from comedian. MC different from actman. Comedian different from actman. You feel funny. You feel funny for your happy level. Bros, you know me say be comedian. If it's funny for MC matter, you know me say be comedian. Go search for the meaning of these things. If you be music artist, you're funny, you know me say you be comedian. Bros, maybe we focus on our career. If not, no gog. That's why many they gog. Because people they say, are you funny? They call the catch yourself to be comedian. Rubbish. You don't be comedian, my brother. That's me being, I don't be comedian. I be MC, I don't be comedian. That's why I put up MC Shakagbo. And that's why I wish I be comedian. I forgot I'm comedian Shakagbo. More change, my brother. More they do the right thing, the right set, the right side. Well, don't forget, man. Like this, I still remember young boy MC Shakagbo. Still WhatsApp entertainment. Drop a comment, share. More they do things I call it. More they respect each other for this Europe. You understand? More they respect each other for this Europe. Still WhatsApp entertainment. I get it on WhatsApp, man. I don't hide like this. I won't sleep. Don't forget, man.